I'm Tim Zauner with EarthWorks, and today we're going to show you how to install a bubbling boulder. The kit includes a drilled boulder, a hose, a basin, a pump, and decorative cobbles. First step we're going to do is mark out where our basin is going to go. So let's get started. Now that our basin is in, it's time for us to set our boulder. Next, we place our pump in the basin and run the hose to it. So now that our bubbler's installed, it's time to enjoy it. So if you like what you see here, give EarthWorks a call where we can help you build something epic.